All right, we're back at it again. We're doing another Ducati lost key replacement. This one right here, this is the one we're going to talk about. We're doing three of them. But this is the one for this video. This is going to be a 2017 Ducati 1299 Panigale. Customer sent the ignition lock. Customer sent the dashboard. My plan of action is I'm going to go ahead, decode the lock, take some blank keys. Once I figure out what the cuts are, cut the blank keys, make sure they work in the lock nice and smooth. Once I confirm that's good, then I go to phase 2 where I do the chip programming so the anti-theft system will recognize the chips. You may have noticed I have numbers on some of the ignitions. Like this is 3, this is 3, this is 1, this is 2. So I don't get parts mixed up when I'm doing multiples at the same time or throughout the day. I just make sure that whatever parts you send me, you get them back. So back to this $12.99. I'll come back in a little bit with the keys made for it.